Today is 29th April 2025 and let's try to get the latest news related with investment with the help of Chatgpt. Okay, so as I have told you before as well that you have this search option available, which basically means that you can get information regarding the recent events as well. Okay, so I will write here, give me latest news regarding Indian stock market. Okay, and at the place of Indian you can write the name of your country. If you live in USA or if you live in Europe, then you can write your own country's name here and you can get information regarding that stock market here. Okay, so give me latest news regarding Indian stock market as of 29th April 2025. Okay, you can select this search option and see it is searching the web here for the latest information, and it will give you the sources as well from where it is getting the information. As of April 29th 2025, the Indian stock market is experiencing a positive trend, recovering from earlier downturns this year. Okay, so what is the Sensex? It is at 80,218 points and it is up by 1000 points. Okay, 1.27%. Nifty 50 is ended at 24,328 points, gaining to 89.15 points, 1.20%. This rebound follows a 2-day decline with significant contribution from sectors like oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, and public sector banks. Technical insight: Nifty 50, a sustained move above 24,400 could lead to further gains towards 24,600 and 24,800. Immediate support is at 24,050. So that is the immediate support. Okay. If we talk about Bank Nifty, which closed at 55,433, up by 1.41%, a move above 55,577 may target 56,200 and 56,800 levels. If we talk about sector highlights, so you can see oil and gas, Reliance Industries led the rally, boosting the sector. Pharmaceuticals' strong performance contributed to market gains. Public sector banks' notable uptrend observed. Information technology underperformed, closing in the red. Okay, this information is by Times of India and Linevent. Okay, then we have stock market here. So analysts suggest the following stocks for consideration: Tourism Finance Corporation of India Limited, buy at 198.4 rupees, target 212 rupees, stop loss 191. Tata Motors Limited, positive outlook based on technical indicators. Aditya Birla Capital Limited, potential for upside movement. Okay, global and domestic factors. Global markets, European indices closed higher, while US futures showed mild weakness, indicating a cautious global sentiment. Domestic economy, the index of industrial production IIP is at a 4-year low, which may influence investor sentiment. What are the upcoming events? So these are the key upcoming events here. Okay, so like Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, and BPCL are set to announce Q4 results today, which could impact the market movements. Okay, now ChatGPT has also suggested me this video as well, so you can go to this particular video as well, and if you want to watch, it is by CNBC Awas, and this is the video you can watch. Okay, this is the advice given to me on 29th April. Okay, so that is what we can do here. Okay, what are latest events or news we should track which are related with investment? What are latest events or news in the world we should track which are related with investment? Okay, so we can search like this as well, and it is again searching the web. So as of April 29, 2025, several global events are significantly influencing investment landscape. Here is a concise overview of key developments. So what are global economic and trade dynamics? US-China trade tensions. US imposed 145% tariffs on Chinese goods, okay, prompting retaliatory measures from China. This escalation has disrupted global trade flows. We talked about this before as well, okay, with the port of Los Angeles anticipating a one-third drop in arrivals year over year. Economists warn of potential stagflation, particularly affecting small retail and logistics sectors. Okay. Global debt concerns. The International Monetary Fund projects global public debt to exceed 100% of GDP by 2030, driven by protectionist policies and economic uncertainties. Major contributors include the US, UK, Brazil, China, and France. Major market volatility and investment risk. So stock market turbulence. Earlier this month, global stock market experienced significant downturn following the US tariff announcements. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq saw substantial losses, marking one of the most severe declines since the COVID-19 pandemic. Hedge funds leverage risk. Analysts highlight growing concerns over hedge funds' reliance on leverage strategies in the US Treasury market. Such practices could destabilize the market, especially as foreign investors reduce their holdings. Okay. Technological investments and AI developments. IBM's $150 billion investment. IBM planned to invest $150 billion in US manufacturing over the next 5 years, focusing on mainframe and quantum computing. This move aligns with efforts to boost domestic production amid US-China tensions. AI Action Summit initiatives. The 2025 AI Summit in Paris saw the European Union launch Invest AI, a $200 billion euros initiative to support AI development. Additionally, private investors pledged nearly 110 billion euros towards AI advancement in France. What is happening in India? India's investment landscape. India's rising investment appeal. According to PwC's Global CEO Survey, India ranks among the top 5 global investment destinations, alongside the US, UK, Germany, and China. India's CEOs exhibit strong optimism about the country's growth prospects, driven by favorable economic fundamentals and a skilled workforce. Venture capital and M&A activity. Significant deal and fundraising. The venture capital sector remains active with notable details such as Dole Dash $3.6 billion offer to acquire Deliveroo. Additionally, startups like Visa and Lightrun have secured substantial funding, reflecting continued investors' interest in tech and AI sector. Okay, so this is what is happening. This is your latest news with ChatGPT.